smile and choose a shine. Let's have fun, it's buckle time. 3, 4, knock at the door. Melo Girl knocks, come and explore. Bello Boy laughs, what's behind? Let's see what's waiting so kind. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Bello Boy jumps, let's do some tricks. Melo Girl twirls and bends with grace. Sticks in hand, they race and race. 7, 8, lay them straight. Melo Girl and Bello Boy create a lovely path. They laugh and wait for the next step, it's so great. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Melo Girl giggles, let's count again. Bello Boy says 1, 2, 3. Together they count